So you've all heard stories about how the cat hates me, and I think it's time to let everybody in on how evil she is. Earlier tonight, she scratched the chair. I've explained to her numerous times that chair is not to be scratched. That's what the scratching post is for, and she decided she wanted to scratch the chair again. So we chased her out of the room, and I cornered her in this bathroom. And she's not in a good mood, so let's take a look. Kitty? Are you in a good mood? Are you in a good mood or no? Huh? No? But you're a pretty girl. Okay, you can stay in here until your attitude changes. This hurts me as much as it hurts you.